A popular Nescafe coffee machine has been slashed by 65% on Amazon as customers praise how it is the perfect gadget for first-timers. The DeLonghi Nescafe Dolce Gusto Infinissima Pod Capsule Coffee Machine is currently 65% off, down from £109.99 to £39, a total saving of £70.99. This coffee machine promises infinite possibilities in terms of choices with an extra large water tank, 1.2 liters, and an adjustable drip tray that is suitable for any cup you desire. All you need is this machine, some water and the Dolce Gusto pods and you are set, plus these pods are recyclable so you are also helping the planet. There are over 40 coffee types available with other hot beverages, including tea and hot chocolate, available to buy as well. Customers have praised the various choices of pods this machine provides and how it is a perfect first-time machine for coffee lovers. One happy customer wrote, "Great first-time coffee machine, perfect for those people who want to try but not spend a fortune. I got this for £40 and feel it was good value for money. Pods can be expensive but if you shop round you can pick up for around 23p per drink, even cheaper if you get lucky. Supplies both hot and cold water. Hot water can be a little too hot to drink straight away so may need to leave drink to cool down." Another said, "This product is so perfect for coffee lovers. Easy to use, easy to clean, easy to maintain." Coffee pods are available in different shops. Various choices of coffee and hot chocolate flavors. Overall rating is 11/10. And a third added, "Exactly what I wanted, thanks, really good quality and good value for money." A fourth noted, "This arrived really quickly and got it at a really discounted price. Previously owned another brand but I find this far easier to use. Check out this Nescafe deal on Amazon here." Other coffee machines are available online, including the Nespresso Virtuo Plus Automatic Pod Coffee Machine, £74.17, and the Philips L'Or Barista Sublime Capsule Coffee Machine, £87.98. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.